A very good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Stay safe, stay at your home. Students, you love dance? You like dance? Yes. So students, today we are going to learn about folk dances of India. Folk dances of in India. So like Bhangra, Bihu, they all are folk dance of India state. We will learn about dances. You like Bhangra? You know about? You listen about Bhangra? No. So today, ma'am will tell you about Bhangra dance form. Bhangra dance form. It is Bhangra. It is Bhangra. Bhangra. It's dance performed during the Vaisakhi. Bhangra belongs to Punjab. Bhangra dance form belongs to Punjab. It is a folk dance of Punjab. It's dance performed during festival. Bhangra dance performed during festival during the Baisakhi. Bhangra is very energetic dance. Bhangra is very energetic dance. Okay, it's performed on dhol, gidda. Gidda is also a folk dance of Punjab. It's performed on dhol and Punjabi song. It's performed on dhol and Punjabi song. So it is Bhangra. It is Bhangra dance. Bhangra belongs to Punjab. Bhangra belongs to Punjab. It's dance performed during the Vaisakhi festival, and you know that Bhangra is very energetic dance. We want very energy to perform the Bhangra, and it's performed on dhol, Punjabi songs and Punjabi beats on dhol. In dhol, mostly you see we do Bhangra, and Bhangra has a special dress. And Bhangra performed by both male and female, man or woman. Bhangra performed both man or woman. In this, man wear dhoti, kurta and pag, means pagdi. You see in this picture, man's wear dhoti, kurta and pag. So Bhangra belongs to Punjab. Now I will tell you about next folk dance. You know that this dance belongs to? No. It is Bihu. Bihu dance is a folk dance. From the state of Assam. Bihu's dance belongs to state Assam. The dance performed by young man and woman. It is a traditional. In this dance, girls and boys, means man and women, wear traditional dress, and its dress is very colorful. So Bihu dance is a folk dance of Assam. It's dance performed by young man and woman. And in this dance, man and woman wear traditional dress. And the dress is very colorful. See how girls wear dress, and girls did makeup. Girls do color makeup. So it is a Bihu. It's dance performed by sticks. So it is a Bihu. Bihu dance belongs to Assam. It is a folk dance of Assam, and it's performed by young man and young woman. Okay, anyone asks Assam, tell me Assam folk dance. So Assam folk dance is Bihu. Assam folk dance is Bihu. In this dance, we wear man and woman wear traditional dress. Man and woman wear traditional dress. So we study about Bhangra. First we study about Bhangra, and second one is Bihu. Second one is Bihu. Next dance. We will see next dance. Any of you can tell me about this dance? No. This is Chow. This is Chow. And Chow is dance is semi-classical dance. It is a semi-classical dance form of India. It is a semi-classical dance form of India. This dance costume is very different. See this dance costume. This is very heavy costume. Man, weird. Costume is very different from other folk dance. In this dance story and by in this dance, the Hindi epics like Ramayana and the Mahabharata include. The dance performed on the story of Mahabharata and Ramayana. And this dance performed in especially Odisha, West Bengal, Jharkhand. So it is Chahu. It is performed by man and woman both. And it is the different from other folk dance. Okay, this dance is not done songs. In dance, they enact a story from Hindu epics, means are Ramayana or Mahabharata. The story of Ramayana and Mahabharata in this dance form. Okay, you know about this dance. This dance is you know that it is Dandiya. It is Dandiya. Dandiya is a folk dance of Gujarat. Dandiya is a folk dance of Gujarat. And it's properly performed in this dance mostly performed in Navratri. Mostly performed in Navratri. In Navratri, so many pandals we see in Delhi, in India. In Delhi, we see so many pandals due to Navratri. In Navratri, we see so many pandals. And it is specially performed in Gujarat. Specially performed in Gujarat during Navratris. In Delhi, we see so many pandals during Navratri also, where man and woman play Dandiya. So Dandiya is a folk dance of Gujarat. No, you know that what is this? It is the Ghumar. It is the Ghumar dance. And Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan. You listen that song, Ghumar, Ghumar. So Ghumar is a Rajasthani folk dance. Ghumar is a Rajasthani folk dance. And this dance performed by women. This dance is performed by women who wear flowing dresses. Who wear flowing dresses by women. Flowing dresses means women wear big like this dress, ghagra. It's called ghagra. Women wears ghagra choli and dupattas. So it is performed dance. It dance performed in ghagra. Ghumar is often performed special occasion. Ghumar dance specially performed in occasion like festivals, marriage, etc. It is a Ghumar dance. Ghumar dance is folk dance of Rajasthan. This dance is performed in special occasion like festival and marriage. This dance performed by only women. Women wear in this dance ghagra. Women wear ghagra in this dance. You listen about that song Ghumar Ghumar. In that dance, the actress wear ghagra and belongs to Rajasthani dance. Rajasthani state. The next, you know about this dance. This is Yakshagana. Yakshagana. It dance belongs to state Karnataka. It dance belongs to state Karnataka. In this dance, colorful costume and makeup. And this dance is performed by man in open air. This dance performed by man in open air. It is Yakshagana. It is Yakshagana, and it is performed by man in open air. In open air, and it dance belongs to state Karnataka. It dance belongs to state Karnataka. It is a very difficult dance. So it is a Yakshagana. It is performed in Karnataka, and in this dance wears man colorful dress and different makeup, and this dance is performed by men. So the students, today we study about 6 type of dance. Like first Bhangra. Bhangra is the folk dance of Punjab. The second one is Bihu. Bihu is performed in Assam. Next in Dandiya. Dandiya is the folk dance of Gujarat. Ghumar. Ghumar is folk dance of Rajasthan. The Chahu is the folk dance of Odisha, Jharkhand. This is Yakshagana. This is Yakshagana, and it is the dance belong to state Karnataka. This dance belong to state Karnataka. So today we study about 6 form of dance and which state belongs to, and which state belongs to. Which state? First Punjab, Assam, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka, and one is Odisha. Now we will do our exercise in GK, page number 19, folk dances of India. Folk dances of India. In this exercise, what we will do, identify different folk dance. Identify different folk dance of India with the help of picture given below. In this, we have 6 dance form pictures. So we will see and we will write the dance form. See the first one. First one is, anyone can tell me which dance form? It is belong to Chahu. Chahu. It is belong to Chahu. Okay. The second one is, anyone can tell me the second one is Bihu. Second one is Bihu, and Bihu is folk dance of Assam. Bihu is folk dance of Assam. The another one is Bhangra. Another one is Bhangra. Bhangra is a folk dance of Punjab. So in third we will write Bhangra. We will write Bhangra. First one is Chahu. Second one is Bihu, and third one is Bhangra. Third one is Bhangra. Now we will see fourth. Fourth one is, which is dance form? Anyone can tell? The fourth one is Ghumar. The fourth one is Ghumar. See, she wear Ghangra. She wear Ghagra, and it belong to Rajasthan. Ghumars belong to Rajasthan. So fourth one is Ghumar. Fourth one is Ghumar. Now we will see fifth dance form. It is Dandiya. It is Dandiya, and Dandiya dance belongs to Gujarat. Dandiya belongs to Gujarat, and it mostly performed in Navratri. It's mostly performed in Navratri. The sixth one is Yakshagana. The sixth one is Yakshagana, and Yakshagana. Okay, students. So today we study about 6 dance form. The one is Chahu, Bihu, Bhangra, Ghumar, Dandiya, and Yakshagana. This is dance form belongs to different state. Bhangra belongs to Punjab, Bihu belongs to Assam, Ghumar belongs to Rajasthan, Dandiya belongs to Gujarat, and Yakshagana belongs to Karnataka, and Chahu belongs to Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal. So this is sixth dance form of different state folk dances. This is folk dances of different state. So we know about these dances. This is dances. These all are folk dances. So students, do this exercise in your book. Do this exercise in book and study about this dance. Study about all folk dances of India. About Bhangra, Ghumar, Dandiya, Bihu, Yakshagana and Chahu. Do this exercise, students. Bye and have a nice day and do dance. Okay, students. Bye.